Jim Sorrels, personal injury attorney. I've actually been an attorney for over 35 years, but I've limited my practice to helping people in their bodily injury claims for compensation and insurance disputes for about 25 years now. And I've seen probably 1,000 cases of injured people. So this topic is you're seriously injured, you're out of work because of it, and you have big medical bills. You know, this happens to some people and it makes their walls start closing in and their life start crumbling around them, and they need help immediately. So what can you hope for from your chosen attorney when you're in this kind of difficult spot? Well, first and foremost, you hope that you've got an attorney who is resourceful in finding ways of getting assistance for you, financial assistance for your medical bills and your loss of income as soon as possible. And I like to think that we're resourceful in our office, and I'm sure other attorneys are as well. We start looking around for every possible source of what we call first party, on time, as you go reimbursement for your medical bills and your lost wages. Now, some people are fortunate enough to have purchased for themselves this kind of insurance. Either they have an auto policy that has this very kind of insurance, which is such a wonderful resource, and if not that in an auto policy, many people have health plans, at least, that will cover a large portion of their medical bills. However, many people don't have either one of these. And you have to be prepared to start looking around for resources, and it may very well involve governmental assistance. It may very well involve seeking charity care. For example, most large hospitals have a requirement that a certain number of dollars is set aside by them each year to cover charity care for people in financial distress. You may very well qualify for that kind of a program. So you want an attorney who is resourceful in looking for these methods of as-you-go coverage and reimbursement for your medical bills that are coming in and for the income that you had that is not coming in. Now, having said that, you have to realize the search is important because the insurance company for the party that did this to you, their only legal obligation is to protect the person who did it to you from your claim. Now, in the process of doing that, they make nice often, and they sound as though they want to be fair with you and make a fair agreement at the end of the line. But that's the key phrase, at the end of the line. They don't have any obligation to pay piecemeal. They don't have any obligation to dole out some of the liability money of their insured for a medical bill or lost income. They have no such obligation. They play the waiting game and the squeezing game, the financial squeeze, and that's why it's so important that your lawyer be able to look for every possible source to keep you afloat without having to sell your case short to the insurance company for the people that did it to you. If you would like to contact my office, we'd be glad to help you, and you'll have the contact information.